I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the Oppo and opening settings. This is where battery details live. Tap battery or battery and performance to reveal percentage and estimated screen on time. Once you see those numbers, make sure to note the current power mode, normal, power saving, or ultra power saving, because it changes readings. You should also look for battery usage by app. This gives fast insight into what drains power. Proceed now to deeper diagnostics, so you know if behavior is normal. Once done with the main screen, go into battery usage to inspect which apps consumed the most power in the last 24 hours or since full charge. You should tap each high-consuming app to restrict background activity or force stop it when needed. Then look for battery health or device care to check maximum capacity and charging cycles if your Oppo model shows that. This explains why battery life changed. Make choices, optimize settings, uninstall heavy apps, or adjust sync frequency. To finish, enable battery saver or adaptive battery features for instant improvement and adjust brightness and connectivity to reduce usage. If readings look inconsistent, calibrate by charging to 100%, then using the phone down to near zero once. This can correct percent accuracy. If you still see rapid capacity loss, clear app cache, update the OS, and reboot. Make sure apps are updated too. If problems persist, contact Oppo support or visit a service center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.